Radio check, radio check. Trying to make sure we got our poundage right on our dome this morning. It's about 4:20. Ready to hit the road. Head back to Lufkin.
Hey, good morning, Miguel.
We made it.
Oh my God.
What an adventure.
Man, there's cars everywhere this morning. Look at them. Everyone's parked everywhere they can get. Last day of race week. Gotta make it back to Lufkin. What are you doing over there?
Y'all ready?
You're scaring me.
Let's go.
People are hiding their kids.
Just got to get it done now. We got Jesse.
I had a dream that Michael was in the Indiana Jones costume and he was whipping me and I was going, Dr. Jones, I'm up on time, Dr. Jones.
Is that true, Frank? Sounds good. How's your back?
Oh, it's starting to feel it.
Y'all drive through this morning or did y'all start sometime last night?
No, we took off this morning from Monroe.
We got in here about midnight last night, threw the car on the lift, and started figuring out what I got to fix today.
Oh, so you guys are working issues this morning?
Yeah, the exhaust fell off the car in Port Allen, and it's held up with a lot of bunch of cords and hose clamps.
Oh no. Oh no.
Where's the checkpoint?
This is it. Yeah, Nomad mobile tuning.
Oh.
Or Dynomad, sorry. Dynomad.
How's y'all's backs? How's your back?
Actually not bad. The construction through Shreveport, anybody who's been in Louisiana streets, you know. My poor stiff-legged trailer. Yeah, that was a rough ride.
Yeah, we never
You're killing me, Smalls.
So what you said, the exhaust fell off? And oh, I see it.
Yeah, so
Oh, you guys are red rag and bungee cording it.
well, here we got a vice grip.
Oh, and you got a
With
vice
strap.
grip with a strap.
And up here, there's a hose clamp. Hold it up here.
You guys are Band-Aid and baling wire making it happen. Holy mackerel.
Oh, back there towards the exit, just down that ladder.
So are you guys local to this area?
Yeah, so we both live here. And this shop's open on the weekends. It's dyno tuning.
Oh, okay, so this is your local area. This is your home. That's awesome. You guys are getting down the track fairly well.
Yeah, yesterday we kind of turned a corner, but we broke out twice before we got our 11:03 pass. I think we went a 1080 and a 1070 something before getting an 11:0 pass.
Wow, that's amazing. Now the car looks cool. I mean, it is in the spirit of the race. It's roof racked, real street car.
We had the trunk and the back seat full.
Got some tire rubs.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's the epitome of what Race Week is. Make it happen.
Checkpoint 1 is done.
Checkpoint 1 is done. About to get in. We're going to grab some fuel and head on out
that's a
to
little weird.
Mass Motorsports.
Let's do it. Rolling. Looks like a Raptor got that thing. You said your girl can't drive?
Nah, she ended up running into some mailboxes.
That's what he said. He goes, "It's not my car." I said, "Yeah, that's exactly what I'd say too."
Oh my.
Oh, you like community building?
Damn, dude.
I think most of this will buff out.
That'll buff out.
Yeah, it'll buff out.
Oh no.
Try to stop some fuel on car show. Car show breaks out, huh?
I think we got, I don't know, 40 or so, 40-ish. I don't know. Something.
Good chance we're gonna finish the
There's a-
third drag and drive.
There's a chance we're gonna finish third drag and drive and make a podium for 3 years in a row. We're getting it. Everybody's tired. Everybody's worn out.
Keys are in the front seat. Oh yeah.
Where's Jeff?
Yeah.
Jeff!
Dude, I have my stuff all set up.
Now you're gonna appreciate what the last 1,000 miles have been like.
All right.
Here.
All right.
Put that one in.
Can't see it.
And then do this. Big finger. You're in, sucker.
Get skinny.
Can you hear me?
You have to press. Here's your talk button right here. Red button on top.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I got you.
Let's go.
Almost upset the trailer.
Hey, Race Week 2024, 1,100 miles, Eric. Can you believe that?
Let's go.
How was the burnout?
Oh, it was awesome. Awesome. I pooed a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not too.
How was the ride in the car though? Hot or no?
It was hot.
It was hot.
Yeah, but it was more the seatbelt. I was like a fat man in a little suit.
Oh, I know that.
Yeah, it was like.
Tommy boy.
Yeah, it was kind of really tight. So, but no, it was badass. Loved it.
It's a good idea in case you break in the burnout box, because if you break in the burnout
You
box,
don't break the knee.
you don't finish. So we can do this, and then we finish.
Right on.
All right. Good job, brothers. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Cheers.
You're crazy.
They're kind of like a fine wine. They get better with time. And, and if you leave them 3 days in a van, they taste just the same as when you buy from McDonald's.
Cheese is a little cheesier. Not quite like a Cheeto,
But almost as good as quail egg.
Where are you going with that?
We're going to go give it away to the Juggernaut group. We got an upgrade coming for next year.
All right, okay. We're not taking that home. Okay. Bye, trailer. Give me your best Frank.
Yo.
That's perfect.
The BMF 8. Keith Benstead with an 870. Luna Tran, are you here? Yes, there she is. With an 878, come on up. Felicia Smith with an 883, come on up. Rich Guido with an 884, come on up. Richard Jones, the 58 Willys wagon that does like 17 wheelies in 60 feet, with an 885, come on up. William Hogan with the stick shift OBS truck with an 887, come on up. Michael Bogler, the Jackwagon Nova, come on up, his 891. Rod Bartholomew with the 65 Falcon with a 9 flat, come on up. Awesome.
Thank you.
As long as we do get Hogan on here, that is your BMF 8. If we don't have Hogan, Jacoby Betts, you are the alternate to move yourself into BMF if we don't get Hogan in. Come on up and do your chip drop. Yeah, Hogan apparently was not here.
Yeah, he had problems.
That's Jacoby's in there.
He got
Jacoby
his
at?
part though, but he's probably just running. Got it.
So, Jacoby, are you here?
Well, you still got guys coming.
Jacoby will definitely do it. He should. I'm sure.
And we go through the.
We'll see. You never know.
Yeah. Yeah, so we'll just leave. If Hogan don't show, then Jacoby.
Right, if Hogan doesn't show, Jacoby will move up and we'll make everyone kind of cruise back.
I got the last one.
Are we starting on 13 again?
Yes, sir.
All right, who's got 13s?
13 blue.
13?
The other one right here.
Oh, 13 red. Bam. So you either get Jacoby Betts or Hogan. Who's got 14?
I just didn't hear what you were saying.
Yeah, I'm supposed to. We'll just have a couple alternates to move up. 14.
Wagon on wagon crime.
Wagon on wagon crime coming at you.
You're right.
Who's got 15s? Felicia and Ricky. She turned around.
Remember what you did the other day? Just do it again.
Who had red? Who has, where are we at, 16? 15. 15. Oh, 16. Okay. Keith and Luna. Going out of Keith in the right lane. Your left lane. Yes, ma'am. That's it, right?
Yep.
All right, that's our BMF 8 racing for $2,500.
My guys, what? You made it, man! You made it! Dude, I cannot believe y'all made it!
We made it!
What the hell, man?
It started smoking like 50 miles ago. We're like,
Whoa!
do we just let it eat or we pull the feed line off of it so it stops smoking? I'm like, just drive it because when we were in.
So how much oil did you burn it?
We're about to check, but probably not too
Dude,
bad.
you made it though!
made it.
You made it!
We finished.
You finished. That is incredible. I saw that thing chooching. I saw it chooching through the front gate. I'm like, they made it! That's awesome, dude. You guys are rock stars, man.
What a story to tell, huh?
Zach, Cummins Turbo was not happy.
All
The
right.
week is fun. The week is an accomplishment. This is when we get to come have.
Let's go racing, huh? Here we go. Here we go, huh?
Racing, so we get to go. We get to go get after.
All right, man. Bender's here, gonna watch
Bender's
you.
here. He didn't know he's Rod Bender.
Let's go. Let's have a good race.
Hey, look, he's got the same wheelie. Look at this. He says it's 110 pound solid stainless bar.
Yeah. All right. Hey, let's have a good race, okay?
Yeah,
Y'all be safe, all right? For the win. Go.
Let's go.
Let's go, Jackwagon. First round. Here we go. Here we go. Jackwagon versus the Willie. Jackwagon versus the Willie. Here we go.
front, baby! Wagons to the front. Let's go! Wagons to the front, baby. Had to grab me a whole handful of scramble for that. That was a good freaking run. That was a freaking awesome run. Man, that was all my forehead. Great freaking run. Good job, Jackwagon. Excellent job. Excellent job. Excellent job, Jackwagon. Excellent job, Jackwagon. Excellent job. Good job. Let's go, baby. Let's go! Let's go!
Got him. Got him.
Yeah, he ran it down.
Woo! Yeah! Yeah, he was hitting the up button. Woo! He gonna be happy. That'll be good.
Got out, dude. Got him, boy. We got him.
Woo! Yes, sir! All right!
Wagons to the front.
Atta boy. That was as weird as it gets, wasn't it? That was weird. I know. Hey, good win.
That was a whole handful of scramble from 300 foot on.
Good win, baby.
He got nitrous power, so he
Yeah.
had it early on, and I had to scramble him. I almost twisted the scramble button off the steering wheel.
How close was it at the finish? I was about 100 feet in front of the finish.
I
It was close.
think it was a wheel. It was dead even at 1,000, and then the turbos just gave me a little bit more, and I edged him out. Bottle pressure probably went down for nitrous.
that was definitely
It was a great run, man.
out of the whole first 32 or whatever it was, the first whole 32. Yeah, the whole 16 and both 8s. That was the closest race.
First round win for the Jackwagon. We're trying to figure it out right now.
We made some changes.
Okay.
We spiced up the launch a little bit.
So Lydia,
We made the boost ramp a little more aggressive. We just made a little over 21 pounds on that pass. We'll probably, if I have to get into the scramble, we'll may make 23, 24.
she goes 985, 905.
But
For Lydia in the left one.
hey, at least we
Yeah,
brought
fun stuff, man.
at least we
Fun. That was fun.
At least we brought a knife to the fight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't you put that out there.
No, he won't. He would never do that. I promise you.
I'll send it to you.
That's a great freaking name, though. Can you go? Yeah, can you bleep that out?
Never do
You know,
that.
does it seem odd that I'm the only guy that's laying on pump gas? Huh? Does it seem odd I'm the only guy that's laying on pump gas?
Yeah.
I'm the only dummy?
Hey,
One to watch out for.
Both, how did both of
Do
them
I
have
get some kind
problems?
of leave because I'm on pump
What
gas?
happened to you on that last round?
I need to leave a little bit, don't I?
I don't know
Put
how she's going to do
1,000
this
pounds
round
in it. We'll
either.
let you leave it.
Who? Yours? Are you struggling still?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
Well, I just swapped coils. I changed the.
That was like the slowest drag race in
Yeah,
history.
I've heard this story
I'm like, I
before.
seen that car lay down, and I don't know if she was doing the whole throttle, couldn't get her foot off it.
Well,
or
I saw
what.
you guys made the 8th mile turn off,
Yeah.
and I was going, well, that's weird.
Yeah. I was like, I think I can catch her. I think I can catch her.
Hold on.
Ladies first.
Oh, good job. I put the brakes on.
I was in my
Soon to be proud.
Jacoby, you do. Reach in there, Jacoby. Get your son.
Go ahead, buddy.
7 and 8. That's all you got. 7 and 8. Who's got 7? I guess it's me. You got 7? What color? Blue. Okay. You're 2 left lane.
I'm tired of racing you.
Right lane red.
Which one I got?
I'm Mike. Yeah.
Mike, right lane.
Keith, nice to meet you, buddy.
Are you driving?
I'm in this this old wagon here. Okay. Yeah.
Red is right.
Hey,
Red is right. Let's go, fellas.
Left lane, he's right lane. Orange.
Good luck. Good luck. Safe race, huh? Good luck. Here we go.
Yeah, you too, buddy.
Here we go. Here we go.
Good luck to you. Let's get it on.
Let's go.
Eric for the win. Let's go, baby. Let's go. It's ours to win. It's ours to win. Let's go.
Let's go, Blaine.
get it, baby.
Let's get it, baby.
Let's go, baby! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, Jackwagon! Jackwagon, baby! Wicked up, baby! Let's go! That's wicked up! That's wicked up! Let's go!
Woo! At the launch. That was a launch, yeah. Woo, that was a launch. That time.
was a good one.
To the final!
We got 4 more cylinders and we know what to do with.
Oh, so you're only a 4-cylinder tuner guy.
Yeah, we got twice the cams in here right now. So my whole tuning's off. But if I had to, turn them up. That's all I know.
I like it. I like it.
You know, I live my life kind of the same way I tune my car. Fat and
That's good though.
I can't use that. I can go fat and beep.
That's good though.
when in doubt, lean it down and add boost.
Oh my God.
That's it,
What
right?
happened to the fat? No. I don't even tune and I know that.
Hey, good luck, y'all. Okay, hey, be safe.
Yes, sir. I told you, all we got to do is get home to our families.
Let's go, huh? Y'all have fun. Be safe. Let's go. Hold on, let me get a wide angle.
Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Come on, come on, come on. That's what we do all that work. Didn't cut any corners. Come on. Come on, Jackwagon. Got a stage. Next time, Blaine. Good week for the Jackwagon. Lost in the final. Let's find out. Good week, bro. Good week, though, man. Good week.
I wanted to change the CO2 bottle before that pass.
Good week.
CO2.
Okay, huh? Good stuff.
It ran out. It wouldn't make the shift with it.
I did miss the shift. That's the first time I said, man.
There was no CO2. It didn't build boost.
Here we go.
Ain't nobody dry here.
Hey, so Race Week 2024. What a great week, guys. Everybody did well. We're all getting ready to go pick up some trophies. But as Coach Eric said, in life you either win or you learn a lesson. Tonight we all learned a lesson. We didn't win, and we had fun. We went rounds, made it to the finals. Wagons to the front. Next year, Race Week, we're coming hard.
Let's go. Let's go.